Hey everyone, in this video I'll show you how to fix if your Tango Live camera not working on iPhone. Don't panic, it's usually a setting glitch, not a hardware problem. Follow those simple steps. Step 1. Test the camera first. Open the camera app, take a photo or videos. If it works, here your camera hardware is fine. Step 2. Allow camera permissions. Go to settings, then privacy and security, then tap on camera, find Tango Live, turn the switch on. Without permission, Tango Live can't access the camera. Step 3. Force close and reopen Tango Live. Swipe up from the bottom and pause, close Tango Live, then reopen the app and try going live again. This refresh camera access. Step 4. Switch cameras. Inside Tango Live, switch from front to back camera, then switch back to front. This resets the camera feed. Step 5. Close other camera apps. Close Instagram, Snapchat, WhatsApp or Zoom. Only keep Tango Live open. Other app lock the camera. Step 6. Turn off low power mode. Go to settings, then battery, then disable low power mode. Low power mode limits camera performance. Step 7. Update Tango Live. Open the App Store, search for Tango Live, then tap update if available. Updates obtain fixed camera bug. Step 8. Restart your iPhone. Hold power button plus volume off, then slide to power off. Wait for 30 seconds and turn it back on. This clears system camera conflicts. Your Tango Live camera should now work perfectly on your iPhone. And that's it. I hope you like this video. If you find this video helpful, drop a like, subscribe to our channel. See you in the next video.